Hi, I'm Tori, and today I am going to show you how to turn an estimate into a prime contract on Sage Construction Management. So you need an estimate already put in your project, but to do this, you are going to go to Projects. You're going to pick the project. So your estimate should already be put in, and you are going to go to Prime Contracts. You want to go to Actions and then Add Using Wizard. You need to put in new prime contract, then existing customer, new customer. You're going to click Next. And here, if you have your estimate that's already in there, you're going to click this top one and then click Next. Here, you're going to fill out what's required. Click Save and Next. Then here, you are going to pick the estimate that you would like to turn into your prime contract. Here is the job cost code and prime contract information setup. You can do estimate line item. It's going to reference the corresponding cost code, or the summary by cost code, which is recommended as it says. You can also select to create owner codes from internal grouping codes and the division that you would like this to happen in. You're then going to click Finish. And now you have created a prime contract from the estimate that's already in there for you.